Hello, we are flying out to Milan.
LED gives a level of control that is not possible with traditional technology.
These bright ones are the UVA. It's going to look good, it's going to tan good. I enjoy working alongside them. I can't wait to see the concept of it. Hey everyone, we're here now at Luton Airport and it's 7:30. We are flying out to Milan. You just go into the head office in Genoa, Italy to see the new technology and basically keep up to date with what's going on and what new products are coming out, what new machines and how the market is progressing. We'll see you on the other side. Hello. So we're going to see Fabrizio and Claudio, the founder and the founder's son, which is a very good friend of mine also. And I'm going to see the new developments and how the new machines are pushing forward. I've been working alongside Smart's a lady out in Italy, 15 years. Met Fabrizio when we was both young really. I flew over to Italy to see some of the high pressure at the time and literally market leading with high pressure that Smart has always been. At first, I think they just thought that we was a Salon, and to be completely honest, I was a lot smaller then. 6 months later, I had a phone call inviting me back over, just see if we can do a bit of a distribution deal. I had a minimum amount we had to distribute through the UK, and we sold that quantity within the first 6 months. Everything was kind of fluid straight after that. We become not just colleagues, but really, really good friends. I enjoy working alongside them. I like seeing how the companies develop, where the market is going. So there's a new development, nobody has seen it yet. We're going to look at that. It's full LED, bigger screen, newer design, so I can't wait to see the concept of it. So the factory is down there, so that's where kind of all the production is done. This is the showroom. This is basically where everything is done, where all the customers come. We see all the new devices. We go to Ciao. That's
Look younger than before. Every year, well, younger.
Look, yeah. Every machine kind of has a new design. We customize the designs. Sometimes the different stores, they can have their own kind of logos of it.
Now they are also putting up a little bit for the corrosion proof for the CDSO.
Corrosion proof is the biggest expo in Italy. Everybody comes from all over the world. Ingeo is this machine. So this is the department where this machine gets tested and manufactured. Since I come last, there's new columns that have come, which these two extra columns here.
Usually we test the irradiance of the machine. We measure all the feeding, the electrical feeding, the ampere is correct, the drivers that works correctly, the temperature that is correct, the fans that work correctly, and inside the electronics like radio and timers, that everything is correct. After a couple of days, we pack it up and we ship. We spoke briefly earlier about reflectors and how important the reflectors was for the LEDs. So this is the design. The small holes, you'll see that it's got small reflectors. It's for the red light therapy, where the big reflectors then for the UV LEDs that really push the UV further. So it makes it better by more than 20%, I think. Yeah.
Back in 2018, the LED tanning inside the tube,
wasn't great. It wasn't what we really wanted to achieve. And so we keep it working on, and in 2023 we come with the G2 technology, that is for us is generation 2, and we put the reflectors. We call the halo beam reflector because it makes a beam like and increase efficiency, and now it's a lot very, very effective.
When you think of a flashlight or a torch as we call it, if you just have a bulb and put it up, it's just like a candle. But if you focus it like on a flashlight and it sends the light a lot further, it's exactly the
same. Here there is the circuit board and the reflector that are joined together, and this is a second layer where we put the red light therapy. And here we have also a test with a different shape for UVB that needs a different kind of reflector, because depending the wavelength, you have better results with a reflector or another one.
What we do here is not just manufacture machines, but it's test everything, make sure that you get the best results. Design, the design, it's got to look good, it's got to tan good. It basically do everything. The UVB LEDs, this one, yeah, see these? And these bright ones are the UVA. So the UVA is always like a really good performance because UVA doesn't burn you. UVB is the one that you've got to get perfect for your skin type, because UVB can burn you, but you need UVB, so it's finding that right balance for your own skin type. That is why in Smart we've developed dimmers inside the machine. This is a test rig, but every machine has a dimmer, so we can tailor the UVB session to your skin type to make sure that you're getting the best results.
The 70 with the first experiment with tubes. Then in the 1980s they made also high pressure, like metal halides lamps that we call now high pressure technology. In the 90s the technology keep refining on a better UV output and the UV mix. Also, still there are you can read many newspapers that say that tanning devices doesn't protect you because they are fully UVA, but that's not true, because that was true in the 80s. Okay, they speak about a technology that is 40 years old. I don't know why. In the reality, after in the 90s, we started as an industry to make a UV mix that was more UVA and UVB, so more like closer to what delivered the sun without the dangerous UVC. And since 2000 this technology keep refined, but was still always on these two like binaries: low pressure technology, the tubes, the fluorescent tubes, and metal halides high pressure technology. The future will be LEDs, because the old technology is a lot more expensive to run. Aside all these, LED gives a level of control that is not possible with the traditional technology. When you make a tanning device that use tubes or high pressure technology, you have a fixed UV ratio. Let's say,
or it's off. Basically.
yeah. You can maybe dim the full power, but you have like always 98% of UVA and 2% of UVB. On LED, we have a new layer of control that is how much UVA and how much UVB we want for each skin type. That was not possible before. You were able to dim all the spectrum. Now we can change the spectrum as we want, depending the skin type that we are going to work on.
We have gone through over the years maybe hundreds of different manufacturers, different LEDs to find the direct formula. And I think formula is the correct word.
Yeah.
To give you the best tan. Think smart Sunbed. So it's a trip, Dave. Yeah, really good. Always interesting. Great to see the new products. And on the upside, food is always insane.